Hi everyone, if you've ever looked at a trading platform and thought this looks too complicated, this video is for you. Today we're taking a full look at IQ option and why it might actually be much simpler than it seems once you understand the basics. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a bonus for you, and if you want to check it yourself, you can find all the official links in the description below. Let's start with the first impression. IQ option looks more advanced than most platforms. You immediately see more tools, more settings and more options on the screen. And this is exactly what scares many beginners. But here's the key idea. You don't need to use everything. Now let's talk about usability. Once you focus only on the basics, the chart, assets and main controls, the platform becomes much easier to understand. The complexity disappears when you stop trying to learn everything at once. Next, performance. IQ option runs smoothly and feels stable. Even with more tools, the platform stays responsive and doesn't feel laggy, which is important because more features usually mean more load. But here it's well optimized. Now about functionality. This is where IQ option really stands out. It gives you more tools and more flexibility than most beginner platforms. You can adjust charts, explore different settings and gradually expand how you use the platform. And this brings us to the comparison. Compared to simpler platforms like Binomo or Cortex, IQ option offers much more functionality but also requires more time to get used to. At the same time, compared to platforms like Pocket option, it feels more structured and less chaotic. So again, it sits in a different position. Not the simplest, but one of the most flexible and powerful. Another important point is accessibility. IQ option works well on both desktop and mobile, but it feels more comfortable on a bigger screen because of the number of tools. So what makes IQ option stand out? It's the depth. You can start simple and then gradually use more features as you get more comfortable. So what should you do? If you're okay with spending a bit more time understanding the platform, IQ option can give you more possibilities in the long run. And here's something important. When you use the correct link, you get access to the platform and the demo account, which means you can start without risking your own money and explore everything step by step. If you want to get started, check the links in the description. Choose your platform and you'll get access to the demo account. And I'll also personally help you with a free consultation so you can understand how everything works and avoid beginner mistakes. That way you don't just start, you actually understand what you're doing.